Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are at the Adventuredome in Las Vegas. The Adventuredome is part of the Circus Circus Hotel and Casino Complex. It's at the north end of the strip, and the Adventuredome is located behind the Circus Circus Hotel. You can access the Adventuredome entrance on the second level if you take the escalators up from the casino. So not only are you under a lot of glass, but rain or shine, hot or cold, winter or summer, you're always guaranteed to be comfortable in here. Don't let the fact that this is an indoor amusement park tucked behind a casino fool you. This is a full-scale thrill ride amusement park, including two full-size roller coasters, the El Loco roller coaster, which includes a barrel roll and a number of G-force drops, and also the Canyon Blaster, the world's only indoor-outdoor double-loop, double-corkscrew roller coaster. You'll find bumper cars, a roller skating rink, several kiddie rides, a mini golf course, two bank heist laser challenges, a rock climbing wall, and much, much more, also including a huge swinging pirate ship.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
As you can see, there's lots of arcade games, some try your luck games, a lot of places to eat, and even some bars for the adults. It just wouldn't be an amusement park without bumper cars. It's a little quiet in here. The place just opened just a little while ago, but it gets very crowded late in the afternoon and definitely into the evening. As an adult, I kept myself amused for at least an hour, and I know kids will keep themselves amused for most of the day here. And up the stairs here are the two full-size roller coasters, El Loco and the Canyon Blaster. El Loco is the coaster with the yellow tracks, and the Canyon Blaster, well, is the one that's not yellow. And here you get to see a loco in motion. I think there's 2 cars on the tracks right now going. And like I said, there's a loop-de-loop, some inversions, and some pretty big drops. So it's a pretty good thrill ride. Looks like there's lots of opportunities to pick up a air hockey game here. And now we're coming upon the Canyon Blaster, which I guess has red tracks. And this is the roller skating rink. What, you forgot to pack all your roller skating paraphernalia? No worries, everything you need you can rent here. Looks like this section has some kiddie rides. Some miniature golf. The place is really clean and it looks pretty safe if the little ones want to run around a bit. There's also several outdoor seating areas if you want to grab a hot dog and burger with the kids or a couple of beers with the adults. Here you see the Canyon Blaster's double loop. Sound effects, no extra charge. So this looks like 5 acres of fun, and if you're looking to get off the strip and tired of spending a fortune in the casinos or in the restaurants or going shopping, this is a nice place to stop by for a couple hours and have some fun. And if you have kids with you, it's even more reason to come by. And like everything else in Vegas, this place looks nice in the daytime, but it looks stunning at night.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.